Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it's a weekend in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am not the best at vlogging, but it's pretty much raw footage of how my weekend went. Hey guys, so today is Thursday and this is my office space. Excuse the mess, but you know how it is. I just checked ikea.com online, you guys, and the past wardrobe system, if you've been following on Instagram my closet renovations, then you know what I'm talking about. It's finally in stock and they only have 18 units. I called so I could pre-order and pick up at the store, but they were like, no, we only have 18 units. You have to come in person. So I am waiting for my sister-in-law to pick me up because I am carless. Know the deal. So she's gonna take me to IKEA and I hope I get one of these units because I have everything else and that's all I need to finish my closet. So I could share that process with you guys as well. So yeah.
We just got out of IKEA. The struggle is real. We got the closet system and now we are struggling to put this in the car. I hate IKEA cars, like they never go the right direction, right? Still helping me out. I got some drink and of course a cinnamon bomb because they are so good, you guys. All right guys, I gotta
finish working for the day finally. It's been a long Thursday, so now I'm gonna finally clean the house because tomorrow, which is Friday, I have a hair appointment. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me as well, but today I decided I need to clean this house because I need my weekend to be off. The hobby is gonna be off, so we have some plans to do this weekend. Anyway, so I got a new rack right over here, you guys. So I'm gonna be setting it up here, but first I want to clean the floors and clean the sofa because Jaden has Oreos stains all over the sofa, and that is the norm around here lately. So yeah, guys, the kitchen is not doing that bad. I did usually every night I clean up the kitchen. I took a bunch of decor out because I'm getting ready for a clean slate to start transitioning into spring pretty soon. I know it's a long time, but whatever, soon. Well, let me show you guys some new stuff that I got. I got my new vacuum, which I have been obsessed with it. It reminds me a lot of the Port Zero by LG that I used to have that got lost in my move. But anyways, I've been using this one and I will talk to you all about this one. Super cool. Then new stuff in the dining area. I got this sideboard estate sale and I got it for $300 and I'm loving it because it has lots of storage. As you can see, I already started putting stuff in there, and then it's just very modern and it was in really good shape. Let me show you. I started already putting stuff here. It's like really good storage. Just let me zoom out so you guys can see, but here it is. I'm loving it. Follow me on Instagram. You've probably seen these lamps that I scored at Ross, and it was only $30 each with the glass detail. You guys know I love my mirror detail. I mean, not glass, mirror. These are also from Ross. And here I need to figure out what I want to do for the decor in the server, how everything is looking right now. We're gonna get to cleaning. Oh, let me show you what else I got at that sale. I got this mirror right here originally to go here on my entryway, but the table ended up being too big, so the lady agreed for me to return it, which it was nice. It's just too big for this space. Also, I haven't shown you these accent chairs that I got at Wayfair. Those are gonna go here in the formal area. I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to return them or keep them. I'm not sure what I want to do, you guys, but first I want to build the fireplace and then, you know, decide on the furniture for this area. This is why it's super empty, but yeah, we're getting closer, I guess. This is how everything is looking. So anyways, guys, today I also want to clean this sofa because, like I said, Jaden put Oreo stains all over, so I'm going to be showing you what I use to clean my sofa, and then we're just gonna do a little bit of cleaning on the downstairs. So guys, here's how my sofa looked. Like I told you, there's a bunch of stains from Jaden, daily eating and just lounging in here. But yeah, the traffic in this sofa, it's crazy. So I got this new spot cleaning machine and I'm gonna be giving it a try for the first time. And here's what I'm using. Usually I use this carpet spot remover to clean my light furniture, and I get it at Home Depot. I will link everything down below in case you guys are interested. But here I am just cleaning that sofa, you guys. And the machine really makes it a lot easier because it's extra help. Guys, look how dirty the water came out, and this was the first water. I'm gonna go ahead and refill the machine and do it all over again. But look how dirty that looks. It really works, you guys. And for $100, you get the extra help with the sofa. I got a new cordless vacuum that I will be linking down below. I am loving it. It reminds me a lot of the LG Core Zero. It's very lightweight, but very powerful, and it's super affordable, you guys. And it comes with different compartments so you could clean different surfaces. When I was done cleaning the floors, I decided to set up my new rock. This rock, I have purchased it in the past at my old home and I love it. It's very durable and it's a great price as well. It's an Amazon find, so I will link it down below. Good morning, guys. So today is Friday. Just got out of bed and I am gonna make myself a smoothie. I have everything ready right here. So yeah, it's super early. It's like 8 in the morning. I'm headed to the hair salon finally, getting this hair done. So yeah, let's go and get breakfast ready. Just got to the hair salon, computer in hand, because your girl is working. So let's get this hair done. Oh my god, it feels so good when it's the weekend, you guys. Hey guys, so finally out of the hair salon. It's 3 o'clock on Friday. I'm telling you, I got there almost at 9 o'clock. It is a process, but it was worth it. Look how beautiful my hair looks now. She trimmed my ends as well. My hair is growing finally, because if you guys remember back in July, they did a very bad job on my hair. So yeah, it's growing. Yes. So I'm gonna go drive now, so I will catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, I am horrible at vlogging, but today it's Saturday. It's morning time. The hubby's there making some coffee, and we're gonna head out to run some errands. On the to-do list is definitely Home Depot. What else, babe? Home Goods. We're really trying to get Jaden's bathroom finished, so we need like a mirror and a couple of, decor pieces for that bathroom. And yeah, I'm ready already. This is the outfit of the morning hair and all. And we are about to head out. I'm not gonna have no breakfast because I am fasting. No. What, Jay? No. JJ's ready too. So I am fasting, so my breakfast will be around 11 o'clock. No. Anyways, we will catch up when we get to the car. So the house is nice and clean. We have the people, oh, they left already, but they were doing, the landscaping, the backyard and stuff. And this is why I love like cleaning either Thursdays or Fridays, because you wake up on the weekend to a clean house. So yeah, it's all clean and ready to be decorated. The vacuum is in my office. So yeah, and I got some new stuff. This is gonna go in my office. Got some wall art and some. Okay, I gotta do cleaning duties because they were molding the grass, so it came inside. All right, so we are on our way. Say hi, Jay. You excited? Jaden loves going to Home Depot. Can you tell he's my son? So we are gonna go to Home Goods first, and then we're gonna go to Home Depot really quick because tomorrow, you saying hi, babe? We're gonna get this man to finish building my closet. Well, help me build it or whatever. We need to finish that project. Babe, put your seatbelt. We're going on the streets already. We just left our community. It's super pretty. I'm gonna show you. Bless you. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, like the dogs and stuff and the lake. Jaden was like, duckies, come over here. But yeah, we're about to do this early and then we're gonna go. So we just got to Home Depot. Home Goods had nothing at all, so we're just gonna do our Home Depot run. What do you want, Jay? See, $49.97 here at Home Depot. That's good because this usually costs like $70 the box. So I'm thinking of getting them. They have the black strain. I want it with the white strain, but let me see if they have it. No, they have all the black ones. I think I'm gonna buy 2 packs. Alright, you guys, so look what I found here at Home Depot. This is $1.99 and it's a 24-inch laundry sink cabinet. I think this actually might work really well in my laundry room. Yes. So Saturday afternoon, Javi watched the car, Jaden helped me watch the cushions for the car seat, and then we got the blind company to come in and install the blackout shades in our bathroom. Guys, I am horrible at vlogging and I know a lot of you guys want to see these type of videos like days in my life or weekend or a week in my life, but this is pretty much how it goes. Here I'm just getting ready for dinner and I'm putting a little bit of makeup so we could look pretty, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my extensions. These are my favorite hair extensions. I've been using them for a while. They're from Irresistible Me. I will link the hair extension down below, but here's how I put them, and I usually save them raw as you saw them. That way the curls keep on and I don't have to curl them every time I put them on. This is it. I'm ready to go celebrate my sister-in-law's birthday. I was gonna say my cousin's birthday. My sister-in-law's birthday, and look how their hair. I love these hair extensions. I have shared them with you in the past, but check the description box for the link for these beautiful hair extensions. They already come with this balayage color that matches my hair so perfect. They come in different shades. I am wearing right now the 20 inches, and in the past I have shared with you the 24 inches. So these are 20 inches. It just add the perfect length for my hair, and I love them. Look how pretty they look, you guys. Let me show you in the back. Look, all that long hair, you guys. It looks great. I'm ready and I'm gonna go before the hubby kills me because he's downstairs waiting for me. But I will see you guys when we get to the dinner. I will show you a little bit of the birthday celebration, and yes, let's go. Here's a little bit of the behind the scene of my sister-in-law's birthday celebration. We had a great time and the dinner was amazing. We went to a Mexican taco place and it was yummy. The wok was my fave. It is so cold, you guys. We are going home because we're parents. So we're ready to go home. It is super chilled. It is freezing. Oh my gosh. Bueno, pero está frío. Para hacer Miami está super frío. And we just got to the car. Guys, so it is Sunday already, 10 a.m. We are headed to have breakfast and pick up Jaden at my mom's house. So I wake up super early today at 8 a.m. on a Sunday because we had a pool company come in and measure. This is like the second quote that we get for the pool. We need to decide on a company already, and I really like this person that came in today. So hopefully I can make up my mind, but I'm waiting for the hubby. He's just gonna give me some coconut water. So yeah, we got coconuts, you know, drink fresh coconut water. So I'm just waiting for him. But yeah.
got my coconut.
So you guys, Sunday started like a normal day, but after we were done shopping at Home Goods and we were headed to my mom's house, I got a phone call that Jaden got into a little accident and I lost it. It was somebody that called me from my mother's house. They didn't really know what was going on. They didn't explain it well. And while I was driving there, I was just crying and crying. But luckily, Jaden is fine. He just got a fishing hook in one of his fingers. The doctor said he will be fine. He got stitches. And yeah, it was crazy, guys.